Welcome back everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today we're going to be showing you how to pair this pair of QC35s. So you start off by turning them on and then click and hold it. It's going to be like a spring and hold it to the Bluetooth side. And just wait until you hear it say ready to pair. Once it says ready to pair, your Bluetooth light will be blinking. And you go into your phone, go into your settings, go into your Bluetooth, and wait for them to pop up. Once they pop up, press on them, and then you're connected. Then you can go out and enjoy yourself some music with the awesome noise cancellation that Bose provides. If you're interested in buying a pair, link in the description below. Thank you, have a great day.